Hey everyone, welcome back to Garnock Reviews, and today we're checking out a Sterk 31WB Super Sport. The WB in this one stands for wet bar, because you can actually have this one with a rear cabin instead. And the Super Sport is instead of the Sport, and that way you get premium upholstery and detailing, advanced helm electronics, and it's got upgrades including 700 horsepower. She measures in at approximately 32 feet in length. She's got a beam of around 10 feet. And that 700 horsepower you see on the back is twin Honda 350 horse, and it'll give you a top speed in the right conditions of very close to 70 miles per hour. Now, as you step on board, I like the fact it's got this like extended bathing platform either side of the outboard. It doesn't matter if you come in port or starboard, it's really easy to get on board. Also like the decking that's on here. And then when you do step on, you see that this one has got the seating area in the back. And it's got a section in the middle that you can raise, and you can have a cockpit table, or you can drop the backrest down even further and have this as a completely flat sunbed. This one's got the T-top, and that way you can also extend out a canopy enclosure for it. And as I mentioned earlier, this is a WB wet bar edition, and in here you've got fridge freezer, you've got a sink, you've got drinks holders. And then on the opposite side, you can have this fitted where you can either have a gas grill or an electric grill. That way you would have the ability to cook out your favourite meals and snacks on board for everybody to enjoy. The T-top gives plenty of protection at the helm. There's two very comfortable seats with storage underneath. They've got the bolster effect so you can sit down or stand up, and these seats actually turn round as well. And then you've got like a leaning post type thing where you can have people stand up here as well. You've got twin 10-inch multifunction displays as standard, but you can get it with 12-inch. This one's got the bow thruster, it's got controls for the windlass, power trim and tilt on the outboard, and then it's got Bluetooth stereo and speakers throughout. That wraparound screen will give you plenty of protection from the wind and rain. And then as you move forward, those poles that you see on the side, that's for that bimini enclosure. You can have it either on the bow or on the stern. On the bow you've got a really comfortable seating area, there's storage underneath those seats, and you can option this out to have a cockpit table up here as well. Then on the bow you've got the electric windlass. As I turn round, you'll see that in the front of the centre console, this one's actually got a door to it, because if I pop this open you'll see that there's actually a head compartment built in here. As well as having a toilet, you've also got extra storage, so if you wanted to put backpacks in here, coolers, maybe there's canopy covers, seat covers, things like that. Yeah, certainly plenty of options and space in here for that. And as I make my way back around the boat, again, I like the fact that there's as many handholds in place. You always feel safe and secure. It's a very stable boat, and there's plenty of room without bumping into anything. Now I'm going to leave a link to Sterk's website in the description. They've actually got a really cool setup where you can design and build your own boat. Shows you all the different colours of the hulls, the different specs and equipment, and it gives you the price points for that. As a very rough guide, you're looking at probably between the 200,000 and 300,000 mark for this boat. But as I say, if you look at the website you get far more detailed information. I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments on this one. If you can leave a comment down below. If you haven't done so already, if you can hit that like and subscribe button, it really does make a difference. And I look forward to catching you on the next one. Thanks everyone.